Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Timesavers 37-inch wide belt sander. This particular model is a 3300 series. It is made in Holland, and it does have 3,277 hours on it. The main head is powered by a 30 horsepower motor. The feed mat is powered by a 3 horsepower motor. It does feature a vacuum bed. To the left is the enclosure for that blower. The feed mat is in excellent condition. It does have that Lindomatic control for height. So it is basically auto calibrating. Anytime you go up, the little arm is going to come down here. That's going to allow you to calibrate your thickness. This machine is full veneer capabilities. One of the reasons why, it does have a floating bed. So you can float that bed. There are the fine tuning controls for that floating bed. If we look inside, you're going to find an 11-inch drum. So it is pretty massive. It does have a built-in dial indicator, so you can hold really tight tolerances with this machine. We'll go ahead and start it. It will take several minutes for that blower to make its final revolutions. The noise you're hearing is actually the vacuum coming through the bed. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.